Welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play Hometown Glory by Adele. So what you heard in the preview is literally what happens all the way through the song. So this song is in the key of B flat minor, so it's very black note heavy. So here on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of B flat minor. So we'll have a look at the right hand first. Sorry about the scratch marks on my hand, I gave my cat a new brand of catnip and he went absolutely mental. Above middle C, you're going to play D flat and B flat together. And then you're going to alternate and play B flat and F. So here I'm using my 2 and 5 on D flat and B flat, and then my 1 and 3 on B flat and F. Like that. So you're going to do that for 4 beats, or 8 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to bring your 2 and 4 to D flat and A flat this time, and move your thumb to A flat and F, and you're going to do the same alternation. So you can do that for 2 bars, so 16 in total. And then the last bit, you're going to play D flat and G flat, and I'm going to use my 2 and my 4, and then B flat and F again for 8 times. And all that repeats. So the left hand, you're going to play B flat octaves if you can, and then to A flat octaves, and then F octaves, and then G flat octaves. So it's actually going and then repeating 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to very slowly put that together for you now. So the chord progression we're playing through there is B flat minor, A flat major, F minor, and G flat major. And as I said, this just literally repeats throughout the entire song. And the very end would just end on a B flat minor chord. So that concludes the piano tutorial. I hope that's been useful and that you have enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up if it has. If you haven't subscribed to Bitesize Piano already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you here learning from my piano tutorials, and go check out my many tutorials I've done so far. If you can't find what you're looking for on my channel, please go see the comment section below where you can follow the link and submit a piano tutorial requests, which are all noted and they're all considered. Thank you to everyone who supported me on Patreon and other avenues so far. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!